guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to do a day in the life vlog, and basically all I'm doing today is having major FOMO about not being at Coachella, and I also have to go through and tidy up my office space, so like all this stuff needs to be done, and I'm kind of like rearranging a bit, so like moving. I did have everything like over in those things over there, and I had more of those in here originally, but they were like ruining my clothes and everything like that, and like they were getting really dusty just being out, and like makeup was getting on my clothes and stuff, so I kind of wanted to like move it into this huge cupboard that I have. But the only thing is there's only a rail, like, ooh, suds. The only thing is there's only a rail on this bottom part, and there's not one up there. So I'm waiting for my dad to come over. I think he's going to come over tomorrow and put a rail in for me, and then I'll be able to like get all of the shirts and everything over there up into the top section of my wardrobe up here. And then hopefully like all my clothes and everything will be out from being on the floor, because yeah, like I said, that just this is so zoomed in. Like I said, they're just getting so dusty and dirty and covered in makeup and dog hair and everything, because my dogs are just walking around in here. And I'll give you an overview like how disgusting it is. Like, ugh. And there's the little cheeky doggos who chew everything. Hey, Jaxie. And Molly is here too, guys, but I don't know where she is. Let's go on a walk and see if we can find her. Let's see if she follows me. Oh, only Jax. Oh, there she is. Molly. Hi. Oh, she's so excited, guys. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. So I better get started, and I think I'm going to make myself another coffee because I'm dead. Literally dead. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to clean out this mug and then make a fresh coffee. Come on! And voila! Then you just put the milk away. Welcome to my fridge. Looks like shit. I have got no lugger. Okay, let's close that, put my milk away, and look, she stayed there and did not bark. Yes, made my coffee and she didn't make me, and really hates coffee anyway, so when I show this to her, she's gonna run away. Also, guys, my dogs were super naughty the other day. Yeah, you guys, and they freaking, like, I went and bought them these really cute Galaxy beds, and then when I came home, they had chewed both of the beds, which are like huge round things, like the size of sort of what you can see on the top there. And they chewed them all, so that whole basket and everything is full of fluff. Yes, Jax, it was you. And you, Willow, wasn't it? And even Marley, who is usually our best behaved dog, she was also in on it. Weren't you? I can't believe it, guys. This is why I never get beds. Like, I never buy them beds anymore. Because of that. Yeah, Jax, I'm talking about you. Also on the cleaning schedule is to get all of the delicious little hair bunnies that I get from my two little winter doggos who look very bejiggity. They need a good brush, but when you do that, like literally so much hair comes out. These two shed so much hair that I have to literally vacuum up those little tufts like every couple of days. Like there's even some over here. They literally just turn into little tumbleweeds and it kills me. Why? Okay, guys, not gonna lie, but I've totally given up on doing anything in here, and I'm just gonna wait till my dad gets here tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna go and watch something on the TV. Which is probably not that great, but anyway, I just can't be bothered, and I'm so tired, and I have the biggest FOMO from missing out on Coachella this year. I went last year for the first time, and it was so amazing, and now I'm just so sad because I just want to go back, but maybe next year or the year after. We'll see. Also guys, I don't know if you're into this, but I watch Sprinkle of Glitter when she does her vlogs like every Sunday night, and I freaking love when she does like her laundry segments. Like, it got me so excited to do my own laundry, and you can literally hear my dryer on now, and I'm sorry if that's like really annoying, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, Sprinkle of Glitter like uses all these really amazing products and things. Makes me so jealous, like all these softeners and stuff. I never really used to use softener until I started watching her vlogs, and I would be like, oh my god, like what is this? I need this in my life. So at the moment, my favorite things to use in my laundry are fluffy, I think it's called warm vanilla and creamy coconut, and then I just use like the Omo pods, and I also have been using the Vanish nappy sand, which everybody in Oz uses a lot, but Sprinkle of Glitter uses it too, and it kind of reminded me to use that to get rid of stains and everything. But yeah, now that I've been using like a fabric softener like this guy, my washing is so amazing. Like I put it on all of my clothes. I think some people maybe just put it on only their towels and blankets and whatever, but I've been putting it on everything, and it's so freaking good. Like, makes everything smell like soft vanilla clouds. It's so amazing. Okay guys, so I decided that I was just being lazy and I need to get this done. So look what I've done. All clean, all organized. All this stuff is going to be stuff that's going into the wardrobe just over there, like in that top cupboard where I'm going to get my dad to put some railing. So that will be all gone, and then I've got to go through all these shoes and figure out somewhere to put those. All of my other shoes I just store over there, but maybe I need to get something higher so I can like utilize that space behind the door a bit more and fit all of the rest of my shoes, which are just over here, over there. And then this stuff here in the suitcase is stuff I've got to sell that I don't wear anymore. And then this stuff, I've got to find somewhere to put this box. Got to put this up on the wall. It's got all my cute pics on it. So cute. And yeah, and then my cane chair is going to stay here. I got this from Matt for my birthday. Freaking love it. And there's me. Oh my god, I'm in my wrap top, dressy doobie dressing gown. Get away from there. This mirror is obviously not going to go here. It'll probably go over there somewhere. But because there's no space there, for now it's just leaning up against the curtain, which goes to the outside. Get ready to get blinded. So basically in the outside you can see like our backyard. It's a pretty good view, but it's a bit of a mess out there. That's why my dad's coming over tomorrow. And I've got my makeup trolley over here, and I need to go through all of that as well. So, you know, but it's an improvement. Oh, and if you're wondering why my dad has to come over and do our backyard, it's because my boyfriend or partner Matt, I feel weird saying boyfriend because we're above the age of 25, and I just feel like it's weird if you say boyfriend, but he is working at the new store that he's opened, so he'll be working all weekend, and my dad's going to come over and give me a hand and also do like a bunch of handyman stuff that I can't do myself, which is super nice of my dad. Okay guys, so I managed to get all of this area clean. Got all of the stuff out here, put all the shoes away, got rid of that dog abomination that was right there, vacuumed everything, reorganized my cushions, and there's Willow enjoying it and putting hair everywhere again, aren't you? And that's it. So I managed getting everything done. So good. So impressed. And so is Wills and Marley and Jax. And you guys, that is it for today's vlog. I got everything that I wanted to get done. I had a moment where I didn't think I was going to get through, but I managed to pull myself through in the end and got it all done. So now I can relax, and I think I'm going to watch Famous in Love, and then I also have like one episode of Riverland to get, what do you call it? Why can't I think of it? I can't think of it, but you all know what I'm talking about. The one with Archie and everything. But I literally, Riverdale, duh. So yeah, I've got one episode of that to watch, so I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to make myself something for dinner because job well done. Okay guys, so it is the next day after my dad has been over helping us out with the backyard and doing my wardrobe. And so I'm going to show you guys now what it looks like. I'm so happy. Let's look. So So obviously you come up to the doors. Oh, don't mind my like calendar and uni planner, etc. So voila, I never used to have this top section in my wardrobe. It just used to be like a whole bunch of that crap up there, but my dad very kindly came and put a rod up for me at the top, so now I can fit all of my skirts and jackets and tops there, and luckily I'm really short so they all fit. The only thing is like my big jackets kind of touch, but hey, I'm not mad. I'm not mad about that. I might just have to fold them or something. And then this is the bottom section. So now I've got all of my like midi skirts, long jackets that don't fit at the top, pants, dresses, and then all of my like midi and maxis are all like folded over here because they're too long for in there. But yeah, guys, so that's it. Thanks, Dad. What a champion. Okay, so that wraps up my day in the life vlog. Basically, I just did what I would usually do at home when I don't have uni on or anything like that. So potted around, did my washing, organized my office space, which gets really dirty throughout the week. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to look at new videos from me. See you later!